Attention welders, if you're looking for a nice little cart to put your welding rig on, check this one out. This is V4's welding cart. This comes with nice 4 drawers in the front for you to store your consumables, which is nice and convenient. You also have a nice bottom drawer as well. You got a little compartment right here for to store your welding rods, more consumables. I got a nice full-size welder on top of this, and there's room to spare. I can actually have a nice chipping hammer right next to it. You can also put a large tank in the back of this unit to give you the chains for you to tie it down, so you don't have to worry about it calling off. Nice wheels on this cart with the handle in the front. If anybody wants one of these carts, they're currently on a great sale right now for a limited time, and there's only a few left in stock. I left the link to this in the video. If you still see that link, you can click it and get yours. Also would appreciate it if you give this video a like and you follow for more great deals.